So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Java and then run program for our first program in Java. And also, I'll tell you how to edit environment variables, like for adding path and creating Java home variable. So let's dive in this video. So first, you all you need is like go to a browser, then on the search bar you search for Oracle Java, and because Oracle is the official website which gives you download for Java, so here you come, and in this you can see Java 23 is now available. It is the latest version. So go and click here on download Java option, Java 23 selected, and here you have to select Windows. Then in this there are three options, so basically you can download through any of these, but I will choose this installer. I recommend you use this for option 2. So on clicking this, it will download a file of 205 MB. I have already downloaded it, so I'll go and show you from there. So after you have downloaded this, all you have to do is click on this downloaded file, then click yes. So it is asking me, do you want to reinstall it? Because I have already installed it. So for you, it won't show you anything. It will just simply like bring you here. So now you have to click on next, then hit enter next. This is the path where you want to download. So I am not going to change it. So it will download here only. Then click next. Yeah. So now it is downloaded. So now we'll close this one. Now for setting up the environment variables, you can search like environment variables in the search bar here, and then here you have to select this advanced tab. If it is not selected already, then you go here in the environment variable section, and now in this you have to search for this path option. So after you select this path option, you have to open this one, like double click on it, and then this window will open, and here you have to press this like click on this new option, and on this new option you have to copy your like Java, basically this one Java, this path directory. So this you can get it from here, like you have to go to your C drive, and in this C drive you have downloaded Java should be here. Like click on this, and click on this, and now this is the absolute path for your bin folder. So this you have to copy and paste it here, and after pasting, press on OK, and then you have to set your Java home. So for this you have to click on this new, and here you have to write Java home. Then this in this value you have to click like paste this bin and remove this directory, and then remove the last part. So you have to do like this only. So I have already done it. I'll show you here. It's a Java home. So directory is this dot slash bin is, sorry, slash bin is missing here. So after this we are all set. We can verify the installation by going to the command prompt, and here we can like write Java, then space hyphen version. It will show you like Java version and Java IC runtime environment and hotspot. So Java is correctly installed now. Mm, so now I'm going to go and run our first program in Java. So let's create a folder, and this we are going to create a file, create here text document, and in this text document I'm going to name it like main, then Java, because this is a file and we are going to like keep the extension of this file as .java, because this is a Java file, not a text file. Earlier it was .text, so now we have renamed it with Java. So now as you can see I have already installed the ID, IntelliJ. So if you want me to like make a video on how to install the IDs like IntelliJ or VS Code, uh, you can comment on this video down below and I will, yeah, make another video for that. So for in this video I'm not going to do that. I'm going to focus on like how to run a program here. So I'm not going to open it in a IntelliJ or anything. I will just simply open with uh, notepad that everybody is having in their PCs. So open with a notepad here. So in this notepad I'm simply going to write a like basic uh, Java code here. Yeah. So class main, yeah, got, and I have to create a main method for this, public static void main, and pass the argument string outs, then you have to write basically a command to like print a text. So system dot out dot print ln. This is a command we write in Java for printing anything. So here we are going to print the famous hello world text. So hello, you can write any string here. Hello world. Okay, close with the column, close the parenthesis as well here. So this is our main class. It's a Java file. So here we are going to go and save this one. Yeah. So now our file is ready to be run. So now all we are going to do here, like to go here, and here we have to write command cmd, so it will open our command prompt here. So here first we need to compile this Java file that we have created, and then we can run it. So we have to now write java and compile, for C for compile, then press space, then write the name of this file. So main dot Java. So we have to write like this. Press enter. So compilation is done. Now a main class has been created here. So after a main class has been created, so now we can run it like Java and then press the file name of that. So file name is main. So after that, after hitting this, we can see clearly hello world is written here. So we have successfully like run our first code in Java. So we have compiled the Java file and one dot class was file was created, and after compilation we have run it through this command in the command prompt. So that's it for this video, and yeah, see you in the next one.